Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about OnlyFans model. OnlyFans model says that she is earning 20,000 euros per month, which is a crazy amount, but she says that this work is much harder than people think. Let's talk about this video. The former nanny is now making more than 20,000 euro a month. While the money is crazy, she says it doesn't come without grafts. An OnlyFans model has defended the way she makes her living, claiming people underestimate the amount of work that goes into it. Watch her explain what she has to do on a daily basis here. Renan Blue from Leeds, UK used to work as a nanny before joining content subscription service OnlyFans 2.5 years ago. Now the 24 years old is in the top 0.2% of creators on the site, ranking in around 1,000 euros, which is nearly equal to $30,000 dollars per month. But while she can't deny it's absolutely crazy money, Renan finds it annoying that people seems to perceive her job as a doodle. If you want to be in that top percent, you have to work harder, she tells Ledibel. And it's so annoying because like people I am not really close to, but like friends of friends, when we have this conversation are like, oh yeah, I wish I had that, it's such easy money. It's annoying because I'm gonna say now it's not. All they see is the person posting a picture and then they hear that they are getting a good income. In order to make this sort of incredibly good income, Ryan says you have to be on it around the clock. Unlike people working a 9 to 5, she says when people come home, have a cup of tea, put their feet up after dinner to chill and switch off after work. That's our busiest time because from about 6 o'clock to like 3 in the morning, that's when people have finished work. So that's when we need to make most of our money. Then you have got to pull all your content on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram like every day. I do twice a day on all those platforms, and that's just to build a following. So the better you build your following, the more people are seeing your links, the better your income is. That talks hours and days. But then you have also got to be on OnlyFans to talk to all those people to make sure they are getting what they are paying for, because if you just ignore them, they just block you, get a refund. So yeah, people think it's a DOS, but if they try to push themselves to the top percent, they wouldn't be saying that. Every willing to go the extra mile, Rhinon also creates custom content at the request of her subscribers, which help to bring an extra dash. For example, just the other day, a blog in Australia paid her 300 euros, which is nearly equal to $420, to dress up like a giant and crush a load of tiny figurines. Honestly, Rhinon explains, you know the teeny little figures that kids play with, like tiny little men. You stand on them, squish them with your feet, pretend to eat them. I need to be fully clothed and just pretend to eat this little man. Sit on one, stomp on one with my feet, and they get off on it. So I mean, each to their own. Based on renowned experience, yes, working as an OnlyFans model can be very lucrative. Yes, working as an OnlyFans model can be very weird, but no, it's not a dose. Thanks for watching the video.